Most people are confused about the source of motivation. They think that motivation is the spark that produces long-lasting eagerness to do hard work. The greater the motivation, the more effort you are willing to put in. Hi friends, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I had secured a rank of 62 in NEET PG 2018. Today in this video we are going to discuss where does this motivation come from and do we actually need motivation to study? So let's begin. Motivation is viewed as a spark, a precondition, a pre-something that is required before we can start something. If we aren't motivated, we can't do anything. We can't study. यार जब मोटिवेशन आएगी तब पढ़ेंगे, अभी तो मन नहीं कर रहा पढ़ने का. This is a bullshit concept, my dear friends. We have wasted so many hours, so many days for that motivation to come. But I will tell you what is motivation. Motivation is the result that comes out of your hard work. Motivation is the pride that you take in the work that you have already done. Remember the days when you study for more than 6 hours a day. Didn't you feel motivated that day? After studying for more than 6 hours a day, didn't you feel satisfied? Remember the days when you worked for more than 12 hours in your department. Didn't you feel motivated after working for more than 12 hours a day and you wanted to repeat that thing again the next day? Remember the days in your school or in your college when you got good marks in your exams. You felt so good about yourself. So motivation will not come before starting anything. Motivation will come when you start doing something. Whenever you will start studying, you will always feel the resistance within you that will stop you from studying. Until and unless you yourself try to open your books, no matter how many number of videos that you watch, motivational videos that you watch, it will never help you because motivation will not come before starting something. So I have a request for you guys that you don't wait for the day when you will feel motivated and then you will start doing something. Even today you may be thinking I am a very motivated person. Even today I also feel the same resistance that you feel when I get to study, when I get to exercise. Even when I need to make videos, I feel so much resistance within me and I can't do these things. I have to force myself to do these things. And once you start doing something, you will feel good about doing that thing. You will feel good about the small progress that you are making and you will want to do that thing more. And in your case, it will be your studies. And that feel good thing, my dear friends, is the motivation. That feel good thing is the motivation. You have to enjoy that feeling of success that comes from improving in some small way or maybe doing some small task. In your case, it can be doing a grand test or completing one chapter or completing one subject or improving your marks in grand test or even starting to prepare for your exams should be a feel good thing for you that will motivate you tomorrow to repeat that same thing. And once you keep on repeating this same cycle, studying, feeling good about yourself and repeating that thing again, and you will see that you will stay motivated daily. You have to feel happy about the small tasks, small improvements that you make each day. You have probably put off a task because you think it was a difficult thing to do. You have put off grand tests, you have put off revisions because you think that it is difficult to do them. But my dear friends, once you start doing them, you will see, you will realize that the things were not as hard as you imagined and you will say to yourself that why I was putting these tasks off. So friends, the best way to stay motivated is to break a sweat and getting things started. Getting things started is often the hardest part. Friends, if there is something that you have been procrastinating, maybe a task or studies or revision or grand test, I have made a video specially on this topic, stop procrastination. The link of that video is given in the description below. And I wanted you to do one more thing. You will make a chart in which you will grade your level of motivation from 1 to 10 and you will compare it with the number of tasks or hours of study that you did on that particular day. And then you will realize that your level of motivation depends on the amount of work that you do on any given single day. At last, I want you to start doing your task or the work that is expected of you from now itself after looking at this video. All the best, friends.